Hi, I'm Katie with Shefit, and this is a moment of calm. Here at Shefit, we are all about support. So we've created 12 episodes of yoga and tips on how to break and find that little moment of calm in your day. Today, for our first episode, we're going to work on a couple breathing techniques. The first one is going to be a more calming, centering, and grounding technique. So to start, sit in a way that's comfortable for you and place your hands in your lap, just like this. Placing your hands palms down has that nice centering, grounding, calming effect. If it's comfortable for you, you can close your eyes. Let's begin. Take a large breath in through your nose. Open up your mouth and breathe out. And do that again. Inhale, really big to the top. This time, hold your breath when you get there. Sip in a tiny bit more air. Blow it all out. Do that again. Inhale all the way to the top. Pause. Breathe in a little bit more breath. Breathe out through your nose. Good job. Go again. Inhale all the way up. Hold it. Retain. Get a little bit more breath. Through your nose, empty, longer than you breathed in. One more time, just like that. Inhale to the top. Hold. Sip in a little baby bit more. Through your mouth, breathe out longer than you breathed in. Now just sit, notice your space. Anytime you're able to create an exhale that's longer than your inhale, you've already created more calm and ease within your nervous system. So the next type of breath we're going to do is called alternate nostril breathing. And this is a type of breath if you needed a moment of waking up, something a little energizing in your day. So to start, find your comfortable seat. Eyes can be open or closed. Lift your right hand. We're going to use your thumb and your ring finger. So begin by a large breath in like you normally would. Let it all go. Take your thumb, close off your right nostril. Inhale through your left. Close off your left nostril, breathe out through your right. Keep your hands just like this, a large breath in. Close your right nostril, breathe out your left. Stay like this, get a breath. Switch. Good, keep your hands like this, inhale. And switch. Stay like this, breathe in big. Switch. Couple more, stay right here, inhale. Switch. Hold your hand, breathe in. Switch. Inhale like this. Switch. Last time, stay right here, breathe big. Switch, breathe out through your right nostril. Release your hands to your lap. This time, palms up. Palms up is a receiving manner, so you're open to receive. Notice what's going on in your mental space, your physical space. Alternate nostril breathing incorporates both hemispheres of your brain just to get everything ready to go. To end each one of our yoga sessions, we use a word. The word is namaste. Namaste essentially means the strong and the awesome and the empowered in me honors the strong and the awesome and the empowered in each one of you. So bring your hands together in front of your heart, supporting each other. Together we say, Namaste. Thank you. This has been Katie with Shefit and your moment of calm.